Boom!
Welcome back.
We are back today with another video. Today we are announcing the winners of our giveaways. So our giveaway was for 2 cards. One was a Jadon Sancho Golden Baller and the other was a Kevin De Bruyne limited edition, both from the Adrenaline XL set. So the first winner for the Golden Baller is Leo Barnett. He commented, "Golden Baller, please, love your channel." Well, thanks very much, Leo. You are the winner of that Golden Baller. So if you can send an email or messages on Instagram, the details will be in the description box below and we'll arrange to get that card sent to you. And the winner of the limited edition, Kevin De Bruyne, is Natalie, who said, "Limited edition, please, love you." So Natalie is our family friend and she's trying to win the cards for Madison and Charlie, who are her kids and watch all of Max's videos, don't they?
Yep.
So that's the giveaways. Now we've got 3 packs. We didn't want to do a video without opening any packs, so we've got a few packs just to open whilst we're here. So let's get straight into the pack opening.
Okay. Right. Let's see. There we go. First, we have got the West Ham badge.
Valverde.
Immobile.
Sangare. Yeah. Tammy Abraham. Maeda.
Winks. And last one for the insert.
For the base.
I can't say that name.
Bayer Leverkusen.
Bayer Leverkusen badge. Right. We have got Enforcer Verratti. Styler Luka Modric. Carrasco Man of the Match signature style. And Crystal Parallel.
Angelino. Right. I'm going to go with Haaland pack because he scored a hat-trick through the week.
He certainly did.
Okay. Atletico Madrid badge. Kudus. Sandro of Juventus. What's your N'Golo Conte song?
N'Golo Kante.
Diogo Costa. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Arsenal badge. Concalves. Match winner Vinny Jr. There he is, the one we get in all of our packs. To Stegen stopper. Ooh, a legend, Franco Baresi. And you'll never guess what this is.
No, that one.
For the 3rd time. Oh, it's not. It's Courtois. 100 Club Courtois.
Well.
So I'm happy with that. Are you?
What was that? That was the 101 club?
Yeah, I did. I thought it was the Kareem again.
Kareem Deadline. Last pack. It's gotta be Spurs pack. Let's see. Right, let's sort these out. Right. Diaz.
Leipzig
badge.
Rodriguez. Edin Dzeko.
Isaac is now on Newcastle.
Toon.
Like what I mean.
scored a great goal against Liverpool and had a very harshly disallowed goal for offside when he was level. Great finish though.
Luke Shaw, Ivan Perisic,
Spinazzola,
and the insert, Sila Julian Brandt, CR7, match winner,
Miranda, Crystal Parallel. Who was it? Garcia. Okay. So that's the end of the packs. Nice little 100 club to add to our collection. Good little card. So congratulations to our giveaway winners. Please get in touch with us via email or via Instagram. As I say, the details will be left below. We are going to announce another giveaway in the coming days, so please subscribe to our channel to see what that will be and press that notification bell to be notified when we upload. And also give that like button a press if you like our videos.
Yep.
And thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.